So for our skin to look like this thing is caused by probably three things, but number one thing that we all know is bleaching cream. Bleaching cream contains a whole lot of harmful chemicals that damages the cells that generates the collagen, leading you into premature aging. The next one is not using the appropriate cream and not using SPF, and also aging factor can also cause to our skin looking all worn out, and also environmental damage. But for the picture you are looking at right now, the skin is severely beaten. So come with me. I'm going to make you a very fast oil that you can incorporate with your daily moisturizer, as long as your moisturizer is not bleaching cream. Give this a trial for 2 weeks and come back here and let me know how you're doing. So let's get downstairs and make the oil. So guys, to make this oil that is really going to help you regenerate your collagen production and smoothen out your skin, the first thing we need is shredded carrot. I shredded this carrot. This is actually the carrot from my carrot juice. Whenever I do my juicing, I don't waste anything from the juice. So this is from carrot, and I added it with olive oil, and I let this sit by my kitchen window for 2 days so that the olive oil will infuse into the carrot. Now the next thing we need is orange peel. If you have orange powder, go ahead and use the orange peel powder. This is orange peel that is dried for about 2 hours, not directly under the sun. You want to mix it with this carrot. Really mix it together. And the next thing you need is the skin of the lemon rind. This is all washed. You want to grate the back of the lemon. If you live in a warm climate, please go easy on the lemon because of this photosynthesis is going to burn your skin. Or you can use this only at night time. Stay away from the sun if you apply lemon on your skin. So we only need just a little bit of the lemon rind. You mix it in here. We only need a little bit of the lemon rind, just about half teaspoon of lemon rind. And you want to mix everything together. At this time, after mixing it, you want to bring this on top of you want to put this like in a double boiler. So let me show you guys how this is done. So I have water here that is already boiling. Just put this inside the water and turn your stove to very medium heat. And we are going to leave it here for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, it's 10 minutes right now, you want to turn off the stove and bring out the oil. So when you bring it down, it's not necessarily hot, but it's like lukewarm. So the vitamin C from the orange peel has infused into the carrot. So in this oil that you're looking at right now, you have a whole lot of vitamin B, you have a lot of beta carotene, you have vitamin A, you have vitamin C, you have everything to help regrow your collagen that you lost. Retinol plays a very big role to regenerating your collagen, and vitamin C is there as well. So all you need to do at this time is to sieve your oil. We're going to be sieving the oil. The oil, you see, whatever you have here, you can use this and mix it with brown sugar. I mean, like the carrot and everything here. Mix it with brown sugar and use this portion here as your facial scrub 2 or 3 times a week to help to restore your lost skin, like the dead skin. You know, you gotta slough off all the dead skin to make room for the new regeneration of the skin. And if you have regular vitamin E at home, the vitamin E that you drink, regular jelly, the gel vitamin E, you can open few capsules of vitamin E and dump it into this oil. At this time, I use raw vitamin E. I will put only just a little bit of this vitamin E. So I have about ½ teaspoon of vitamin E, and I'll mix it up with this oil. And your oil is ready. You can transfer this into a jar. Mix this with your awesome moisturizer, or just use it the way it is on its own. Remember, if you live in a hot climate, stay away from applying something with lemon in the day. Go ahead and do that at night. So guys, the only way to have awesome, amazing skin is to eat right, eat lots of fruits and vegetables, stay away from all those harsh bleaching cream that damages the cells in your skin. Who doesn't want to have a flawless skin? You know what? Do not be harsh on your skin. Remember, again, whatever you ingest is going to show up on your skin as well. So guys, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Remember to click that red button to subscribe and share the video. Bye.